We all love Twitter, and it's probably our favorite social media platform. I am active there, and a lot of my friends are. Okay, so why do you need a separate Twitter client? It's because of all the reasons we don't want to use the Twitter app. Hold up, let me explain. The default Twitter app doesn't show stuff in chronological order. It shows stuff that the user wants to see. Here comes my problem. Instagram and Facebook are already messed up because of this, so how about you give a toggle that lets the users choose between chronological order and the interest-based feed. You're welcome. It happens to me every day when I miss tweets from someone and I simply never get to see that tweet. How ridiculous is that? Also, this is personally my complaint, but the night mode is just mediocre. It's a darker shade of blue and I would rather choose a dark grey or a totally black one instead, like the one in Flamingo. So I use Flamingo, which is a free Twitter client and got pulled from the Play Store because of the stupid token limit. Don't worry, I'll link the APK file in the description. It works totally fine, it shows stuff in chronological order and has a sweet dark theme, and it's very less cluttered. Everything is super clean here and I'm pretty happy with this. Now this only works on Android and I've used Tweetbot for iOS and macOS, which also works super fine. They also show stuff in order and have this engagement tab. I'm not a fan of the whole search thing they have, but rest, it's great for $10 or so. For Windows, you can try out TweetDeck. It's another free client for both Windows and Mac. However, for me, it crashed multiple times on macOS, so I don't recommend it that much. The only downside to using these Twitter clients is that they lack developer support, as they are built by a small team or in some cases by a single developer. Except TweetDeck, all the other clients I have just mentioned don't have support for polls, and I think it's just Twitter being a dick and not allowing the support for polls. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching.